Hey there, ever wonder if your business books match reality? Let's master bank reconciliation in Zoho Books. Imagine your bank shows 50,000 rupees, but Zoho says 47,000. Why the huge, frustrating gap?
Seeing those mismatched numbers, you kind of have to ask yourself, wait, which one's actually right?
Well, surprise. Because of weird timing differences, both amounts might actually be totally right. This brings us to bank reconciliation. It's basically perfectly matching your bank statements with Zoho.
Think of it exactly like double-checking your whole shopping receipt right before you pay.
So, to solve our little financial mystery, Zoho breaks this into 5 super simple steps. Step 1, just pop open the banking module and pick your specific bank account. Next up, quickly review your deposits, payments, and charges directly against your Zoho entries. Now here's the magic. Zoho actually suggests the correct transaction matches for you automatically.
Like they say, Zoho does all the heavy searching, and you get all the credit. Still seeing clashing numbers? Just hunt down missing stuff, like unrecorded bank charges or pending checks.
Finally, once every single transaction aligns perfectly, just click Reconcile. Boom, you're all done. Let's apply these exact steps to that initial 3,000 rupee mystery with real numbers. We found 2 unrecorded differences here, 2,000 in bank charges and 1,000 in interest. So take your Zoho balance, subtract those bank charges, and add that newly earned interest. This simple math reveals our true adjusted balance is actually 46,000 rupees. Perfect. By recording those missing entries, your books and your bank finally agree with each other. So my final question is, are your business accounts best friends yet? Go get reconciled.